Hey, what's good, everybody? This your man, Prof Zones, and Prof is not for professor, but for profits. And yeah, guys, today I'm basically here to discuss the difference between MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So, things most people don't know about these platforms. Now, let's go ahead and talk about it. MT4 order types, either than market execution. We have 4 of them, guys. Number 1 is buy limit, number 2 is sell limit, number 3 is buy stop, and number 4 is sell stop. I will not go into detail on what these things do and what they are. I just want to give you the comparisons between MT4 and MT5, right? Now let's move on to the next one. MT5 order types, either than market execution. We have 2 more that are added on top of the 4 that are already named, which is buy stop limit and sell stop limit. Now, as I said, I will not cover what these things actually do, but I'm just doing the comparisons between MT4 and MT5. Now let's move on to the next one. So, MT4 technical indicators, which all you need to do to see them is go up there on your top right tab and click on insert, and then click on indicators, and then you'll see there's going to be a bunch of indicators there, 30 of them to be exact, if you're going to count them from your moving averages to all sorts of those, right? Now let's go into MT5. MT5, technical indicators, same place, just go on top right, insert indicators, but now there's 38. There's 38 of these technical indicators, so there's quite a few more, to be exact, 8 more that we have on this updated version, which is MT5. Now let's move on to the next one. MT4 has 31 graphical objects, which all you need to do is just go to your insert and you'll see them right there, which include your lines, your channels, your GAN, your Fibonacci, your shapes, and arrows. But now, since this is MT4 and it has 6 of them, let's see what MT5 has for us. It has 38 graphical objects, guys, which is your lines, your channels, your GAN, your Fibonacci, and Elliott, shapes, graphical, and also arrows. So now, it gets a little bit more interesting and fun, depending on what type of a market analyst you are. So now, let us move on to the next one, guys. MT4 has 9 chart timeframes. This is literally the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and last but not least, well, it is least, monthly. So yeah, guys, that's what we have as per the chart timeframes, and all you need to do is go up there on your top right and go to charts and then click on timeframes and you'll be able to see them. Now, let us look at MT5. We have 21 chart timeframes, guys. 21 chart timeframes, literally. So you can just go all the way up there to charts and timeframes and you'll see it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no, we do not have a 7. We have 6, but not 7. After 6, we have 10 minute, 12 minute, and etc. guys. We have so much more time frames. You also have the 2-hour chart, the 3-hour chart. Like it is so much more candlesticks that you can actually kind of see when it comes to the MetaTrader 5 platform. With that said, let us move into the next one. MT4, all in all, has 33 analytical tools, guys, which we just spoke about. It has 33 analytical tools that you can use to analyze the market, be it your trend lines, be it your Fibonacci's and stuff. It has 33 of them, right? And MT5, when we put them all together, it has 68 analytical tools, guys. Guys, that is more than double, because 33 plus 33 is 66. And we have 68 analytical tools. So this is literally more than double. Shout out to the update, guys, on MT5. So yeah, and also the biggest thing that people don't understand is that MT4 is built on 34-bit. MT5 is built on 64-bit. Now, a lot of you might be asking, what's the difference? So guys, the main difference between 32-bit and 64-bit in MetaQuotes is the way they handle memory. So it's like a child's memory and an adult's memory. So with 64-bit processors being able to access and manage much larger amounts of memory than 32-bit processors. As I say that, look at the analogy that is made right here. 32-bit is like a baboon just hanging on trees. And 64-bit is like a bull that is just ramming through everything that it wants to ram through. And a bull gives us beef at the same time, very prime beef. And it also doesn't just give us beef, but a bull gives us cows. I'm just kidding. Well, it technically does because the bull is the male. So yeah, let me not get into that. But anyway, guys, yeah, 32-bit is basically low memory, 64-bit is high memory. So reason why they didn't want to clutter MT4 is because it's built on 32-bit. So you can only put so much into a kid's memory, right? So it's better to just teach an older person more advanced concepts. So now they saw that rather than translating a MetaTrader 4 into 64-bit, they'd rather just build MetaTrader 5 to 64-bit so that all the updates are going to come within it. So it's unlikely for us to see a MetaTrader 6 unless it's going to be built in a higher bit rate, which technically we really don't kind of have. But we might see. We don't know what the future holds for us. So yeah, guys, now let us move into the next slide. So in MetaTrader 4, guys, you have hedging. That's all you have. In MetaTrader 5, you have hedging and netting. So few people understand the difference between this, but a lot of them actually do this. So what's the difference, guys? So position hedging is a risk management strategy used to reduce potential losses or gains, while netting is a process of offsetting the value of multiple positions or payments. Understanding these concepts is so essential for traders and investors seeking to manage risk and optimize their returns. We will speak in deeper depth in on these subjects. Maybe I'll just do a little video, just like as I always do, about this specifically, so that you guys can understand in practical terms, in case you don't understand this theory on what hedging and netting is. So yeah, guys, and lastly, MetaTrader 5 has a built-in economic calendar. You don't need to go to Forex Factory. You don't need to go to investing.com or any of those websites if you do not want to. You can literally just view it on your MT5. And all you need to do is go to view down there, up there, click on the toolbox, and then the toolbox will show up on the bottom of your screen. And then look for calendar right there, and then click on calendar, and then you'll see your calendar. And you can also adjust your filters and all sorts of things, just like how you can do it on Forex Factory and all these other platforms. So yeah, guys, this is so beautiful because MT4 doesn't have this feature, right? It doesn't have this feature at all. So this is a beautiful update that MT5 has for us. So yeah, guys, with that said, before I close this off, MT4 platform, right? This platform is really the backbone of a lot of traders, as it is the only one that most beginners and experts use. A lot of people are just comfortable with it. They really don't care about the updates that MT5 has. But now seeing that there's a lot of coders, there's a lot of different types of market analysts, there's fundamentalists, those people might prefer MT5. So when MetaQuote started implementing a newer way to code indicators and optimize processing, they figured it would be much easier to create MT5 on 64-bit so it can handle updates easier than it is on 32-bit, which is MT4. As I said in the beginning, guys, I don't think I did say, but yeah, here's a disclaimer. There's much more to this platform, much more, guys. And I will do a thorough breakdown of more functions in the future. So do not hang me, guys, because there's a lot to go through when it comes to these platforms. I mean, they world class for a reason. So yeah, guys, MetaQuotes, this platform is so futuristic. Many do not understand the potential it carries and the advancement that goes into creating such a platform and updating such a platform. So yeah, guys, with that said, we have come to the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, my plan was to keep it below 10 minutes, and that's exactly what I did. With that said, guys, this your man, Prof Zones, and Prof is not for professor, but for profits.